Very experienced panel on News Hour debate number 1. PC Chacko, spokesperson and very senior member of parliament, chairman of the JPC, is joining us representing the Congress party tonight. Former BJP president, party MP in the Rajya Sabha and senior leader, Venkaiah Naidu, and Politburo member and member of parliament from the CPM, Sitaram Yechury. Thank you very much. 3 very experienced men. They know the ins and outs of parliament. Gentlemen, thank you very much. Sitaram Yechury, let me toss to you first. Do you feel the Congress party wasted time in coming to a conclusion on whether or not there should be a vote? If they had to agree on a vote, why did they waste the last 4 days?
Exactly. That's precisely our point. I mean, the fact is that the last 4 days have been wasted because the Congress party could not muster its majority. And that was the reason why Parliament was disrupted. And please recollect the obduracy of not allowing a JPC made the Parliament lose its winter session last year, which they accepted finally. So we are saying don't waste the Parliament's time, have a vote, and let it be decided this way or that way on the basis of the sense of the House.
Mr. PC Chacko, you have to explain tonight. Till yesterday, the Congress party kept saying, no, it's a matter of great principle for us. It's about principle. It's not about whether or not there should be a vote. It's about principle. It's about executive over parliament. How did that principle change overnight, Mr. Chacko, once the DMK assured you of their support?
Aruna, in fact, we still hold on to our view. Every decision by the government is not decided by vote in parliament. That is not our system. We are discussing about FDI. FDI, government is competent to take a decision, and this issue, it need not be discussed. It should be discussed, but not with a vote. That has been our opinion. That is still today our opinion. And we wanted this to convince
But now you've agreed to a vote, Sitaram Yechury. Sitaram Yechury.
No,
Sitaram Yechury wants to come in. He wants to make you right on top of News Hour tonight.
No.
Mr. Yechury.
No. Yes, this is not an executive decision of the government. The FDI in multi-brand retail trade can be allowed only if the FEMA Act is amended. The amendment to the FEMA Act, which the RBI has carried out, that will have to be brought under the Section 48 of the FEMA Act before the Parliament for its approval. So a vote on this issue is inevitable. It is not an executive decision, but it's a legal amendment. And only the Parliament has the right to make the laws or amend the laws. The executive cannot do it. So to say it's an executive decision of the government is wrong according to the law as established by the Parliament.
Mr. Chacko, what were you doing for the last 4 days? Please continue. Venkaiah Naidu, just coming to you. I just want to let Mr. Chacko complete his opening remarks. Over the last 4 days, what were you doing, sir? Were you simply trying to convince the DMK?
Aruna, in fact, we from the very beginning was of the opinion that this is an issue where government is competent to take a decision. And that view still we hold. And it is not that the number problem was there before us. It is not yesterday or the day before. We were quite sure of our number. But we will be setting a wrong precedent in parliamentary democracy if we are going to put to vote every decision taken by a government.
Sir,
no government that function like this. So we feel
but you have given in. You have agreed. You have agreed, haven't you? Venkaiah Naidu, do you think the Congress party has done a U-turn on this one now?
See, it's not a new precedent. There is already a precedent. Congress party also earlier insisted, as we discussed yesterday, discussion under 184, voting also on Balco disinvestment. Secondly, I am not trying to take shelter under rules or the procedure. My point is, it's a larger issue affecting the larger sections of the population of the country. You gave an assurance to Parliament that you will discuss and then evolve a consensus. You have gone back on that. Secondly, you took this decision after you reduced a minority, after TMC withdrew support. And thirdly, your allies have supported the Bharat Bandh against the FDI in retail. Now, if you are saying there is no need for discussion in Parliament, and your Parliament Affairs Minister seems to have said they are ready, they have the numbers. Even the PM has said, if you have the numbers, why you have wasted wasted 4 days process time of the parliament? Is it the way to run the parliament and run the country? My point is, Arnab, this UPA do not know how to govern the country, do not know how to run a coalition, do not know how to deal with political parties and then take them on board.
Mr. PC
Arunab,
Chacko, once again, I would like to ask you, 4 crucial working days in Parliament were lost, Mr. Chacko. Who is responsible for this loss? PC Chacko's party, Sitaram Yechuri's party, or Venkaiah Naidu's party? Isn't it PC Chacko's party? Because you did not have a flow strategy. You could not convince the DMK before the start of this session. You wasted 4 days in getting Karunanidhi to issue this statement. Right or wrong, Mr. Chacko?
Arunav, I deny that because I put the whole blame of not having the parliament for 4 days is on the opposition. Because I still feel that this is an issue which government is competent to do. Mr. Sitaram Yechuri has advanced a different argument. I am not going into that. But the question is that till today, till yesterday, now this is a new argument which Mr. Yechuri has advanced. Till yesterday, no party, no opposition party was saying that the government is not committed to take a decision. Our position was that if the government is committed to take a decision, then it can be discussed, implications can be discussed. But
it was my contention to you, Mr. Chacko. Mr. Chacko, my contention to you, I am going to Sitaram Yechuri, my contention to you is it has never been about executive versus parliament. That was a bogey. You put forth that bogey because all you were doing behind the scenes was that you were trying to muster the numbers. The reason parliament was disrupted, Sitaram Yechuri said, is because the UPA did not muster the numbers. Once you have the numbers, you are okay for a vote. Were you misleading the nation, Mr. Chacko? Or is Sitaram Yechuri misleading the nation by making the comment that he has?
No, it is not. I will not.
Were you misleading the nation on the
that
executive versus parliament debate?
No. I can only say that Congress is not misleading the nation. Congress is putting its opinion very clearly before the nation because we honestly believe, Arnav, that this is a good thing. The FDI in retail, opening up the FDI sector is good for the country, good for the farmer, good for the trader. We believe that it is good. Similar economies in the world, it is proved that it is good. So
Mr. Yechuri is not trusting your argument. Mr. Chacko, Mr. Yechuri is smiling and Mr. Venkaiah Naidu has raised his hand. Mr. Yechuri, why are you smiling at PC Chacko's argument? Why do you find PC Chacko's argument amusing, Mr. Yechuri? Just listen to Yechuri. Yes.
On two grounds. We are opposed to FDI in retail because it is, let's say, injurious to Indian economy and the people. It is neither going to benefit the people, on the other hand, it is going to harm the interests of the people. A fifth of our population today survives on retail trade. And to the fifth of the population, creating a sense of economic insecurity already when they are groaning under this price rise and this lower growth rate and lack of employment opportunities will be absolutely criminal. We oppose that. Congress may have its opinion that it will benefit, so let the House decide. In the all-party meeting that was convened yesterday, I had pointed out that on the Balco disinvestment issue, we, the CPM, had moved a motion under 184 in the Lok Sabha. It was accepted for discussion by the then NDA government, and the Congress supported us on that motion. And that was voted upon. The motion was defeated. That's a different matter. So take the sense of the House. How does it matter now whether you say it's good, we say it is bad? So let the House decide. That is the essence of India's parliamentary democracy. The Constitution says the sovereignty lies with the people. The people exercise that sovereignty through their elected representatives in Parliament. And the executive is accountable to Parliament. Don't break
Mr.
this
Yechuri, why are you...
things. Let the Parliament decide.
Mr. Yechuri, I have two questions and then I'm going to Venkaiah. Two questions. First question to you is, for every premise that you put, there must be proof. I want you to give Mr. Chacko the proof. Whether it is here, that I want you to present on national television, Mr. Sitaram Yechuri, the proof that the Congress party was trying to buy time because it did not have the numbers. Tell us why you think so. Is this just Central Hall hearsay or more than that?
That proof comes from the statement made by the DMK party yesterday in the all-party meeting. They said if the government had consulted us before and called this meeting earlier, such a situation would not have arisen, and that has been proved today. That is the proof that they were called an UPA meeting, taken their allies on board, maybe the situation would not have arrived.
I contest that.
That is the proof.
Mr. Yechury, I contest
that is the proof.
I contest that. No, that's...
Why? On what basis?
Mr. Yechury, Mr. Venkaiah Naidu...
I'll give you.
What?
No,
I'll
what
give you more
basis
evidence.
of contest?
There is a public
What
evidence.
is your basis of contesting?
Yeah, Mr. Arnab. Mr. Arnab,
Yes,
I'll
Mr.
give you
Yechury,
direct evidence.
Mr. Naidu, yes.
When the FDA,
Show me the evidence.
after giving an assurance and the FDA was introduced, there was a call for Bharat Bandh. DMK as a political party, being a constituent of the ruling UPA, has openly supported the Bharat Bandh. What does it mean? Even today, the DMK chief has gone on record saying,
how has that position
policy-wise we are
changed,
opposed
Mr.
to that,
Naidu?
but we don't want
How
to...
has that position
No,
changed?
Yeah, that's
Mr.
what I'm
Naidu?
saying. Yeah.
Mr. Naidu,
The DMK should,
how has the
should
position
explain.
changed?
DMK should explain the U-turn. Secondly, Arnab, please let me
They are not,
complete.
no.
Secondly,
They
I
are
would
saying
like to
something
ask
else,
Mr.
Mr. Naidu.
Chako. No, my point is, the DMK, which has supported the Bharat Bandh, today if it makes a U-turn, they have to explain, not we. One. Secondly, I would like to ask our friend Sri Chako directly, if you are saying today FDI is in the interest of farmers, laborers, consumers, etc. The same party opposed FDI in retail when the NDA was in power, and your leader Premdas Munshi called it anti-national, and your present Prime Minister called it that will destroy employment instead of creating employment. Why this U-turn? One after another U-turn, the name Congress Party.
Yes. Let me answer that.
I have the evidence if you want.
Aruna, I'm happy that I have an occasion to ask this question to Venkaiah Naidu ji, a very senior BJP leader, former president. Aruna, Venkaiah Naidu ji is saying that their stand is a tit for tat. They wanted to introduce 100% FDI in retail when they were in power, when Vajpayee ji was the Prime Minister. And they say that Congress opposed at that time, now we oppose. So what does it mean? Are they against FDI in retail? They were for 100% FDI in retail when they were in power. That is exactly what Venkaiah Naidu ji has said. That means this is purely...
Sitaram Yechury wants to rebut you. Sitaram Yechury is that Venkaiah Naidu, the left is coming to the BJP's defense.
One minute. No, please.
Okay, Mr. Naidu first. Mr. Naidu first. They are coming to Sitaram Yechury.
Because he made a charge.
Naidu first.
He made a charge, na? NDA has not brought the proposal to introduce FDI in retail. One. Secondly, at that time there was no cabinet discussion, there was no proposal. It was only media reports. The Congress party has reacted and opposed it. Let them show the proof that the BJP has attempted to bring FDI in retail and then made any move in that regard. Not at all. It is the Congress party which has opposed it at that time. It is the Congress party which is proposing it now, saying something while in opposition and then doing opposite while in power. That seems to be the stand of the Congress party. Let the things be clear. There was no proposal at all. Mr. Das Munshi wrote a letter to Mursari Moran. Yeah.
No, one second, gentlemen. Mr. Chako, the left party has also got a question to you.
Yeah.
Sitaram Yechury to PC Chako, please. Yes, Sitaram Yechury. Yes, go ahead.